Right, I'm just assessing some storm damage. There's a bridge crossing the river to a pheasant release pen, or one of the release pens, and there's a bit of storm damage, so let's take a look. You can see the bridge there, and that tree has come down and smashed the middle of it. The release pen is in them woods up there. There is another way you can get to it, but obviously this route is now blocked off. Like I say, there is actually another two ways you can get to it, but not by this way. It's going to take a lot of repairing. Oh well.